always craved for. Something I always begged for. How can I be so young, wanting and knowing I wanted something so pure? It will wrap itself around my mind at night constantly, because I wasn't sure what it was. But all I knew is that I wanted it. Crushes in elementary school didn't feel like crushes at all. But true love, the kind of love that made me dream of walking down the aisle in all white. Not only that, I had a journal with little doodles and love letters of me misspelling words, but still being able to express how I feel. So innocently, but now that I look at them, I sounded so empty. Thinking love was the only missing piece of my puzzle. Middle school didn't feel like crushes at all. They felt necessary. They were so young, not knowing what love was, but somehow knew how to manipulate it. I gave the softest and sweetest parts of myself, thinking if I squeezed every bit of my love to her cup wasn't full, maybe, just maybe, I get a drop. I got stuck in this loop, so this loop started to consume me. Here, my love, I give it to you openly. Here, take it. I give you more of my love. You hurt me, but you must admit me too. I give you more of my love. Woo! Here, more. Even though I'm on the floor draining and in pain, I give you more of my love. There were clear signs of this loop. But why would I be going through anything? I had a roof over my head, clothes on my back, and food on the table. You should be grateful. Why aren't you smiling? Why do you always look so sad? Why are you always so angry? What's wrong with you? You will never understand. So I continued my daily routine. Wake up, eat, school, eat, don't speak, look down, walk fast. Go home, eat, don't speak, look down, walk fast, don't speak. And again, wake up, don't speak, look down, walk fast, sleep. Go home, eat, don't speak, walk fast. Stop. Nighttime. A time when everyone was asleep. A time when I could find a sense of relief. Stay quiet, look down, look slow, tiptoe, close door, go on the bathroom floor. You are safe here. It's okay to let it all go. My safe space. I never heard of it. I never even seen it. But something in me knew if I did it, it would release the storm that built up in me from days before. A result of me not being able to hold it in anymore. Honestly, sometimes I did it to punish myself. Because of the wrong people did to me, as if I had dumped your opinion on my forehead, quickly realizing I am not perfect, but a mistake. I am just trying to live a life I have not been through with this physical body, with memories wiped clean from past lives. I have no idea who I was and what I learned. Don't judge me. Please. God, I only wanted to love. And this is the card I was dealt with. Pain, heartache, no protection for what I face on a daily basis. What's wrong with me? I've seen others' pain and wanted to heal because God forbid they ever go through what I've been through. Still going through. If anyone is asking, was what I went through worth it? And I can truly say at the age of 19, yes, it was worth it. The trauma and all, because I was stubborn and realistically did not want to see. 2 years now after opening my eye, I've been slowly realizing I went through all of that for a reason. Reasons that led me here to tell my story and spread my limitless love. But I would not overgive because I remember to always say what's nice for me. The universe was not trying to break me with evil intent, but open my eye and show me never to forget to love me. I thought love only came in the shape of a physical person, but learned that love is everything. Shoot, if I birth me, I swear my chosen name will be love. Because oh my gosh, the way that I paint, I allow my soul to guide my paintbrush. Standing on the stage, refusing to dim my light is love. Because when I was in chapter 1, I never thought chapter 19 would have such a good read. You're not the only ones in that crowd. My ancestors, angels, spirit guides, and inner child is counting for me right now, so thank you. For any little girl that's been through what I've been through, even half, I hope my words healed you. Let you know that I see you. I was so unconsciously consumed by the back of my card. Now that I'm consciously aware, I allow myself to flip my card and show the beauty that I made from my pain. And I can truly say, I am so proud of myself.
Give it up for creation.